Good day, Jitan learners. Our topic for week 5 of our quarter 1 is application of sequence. So, lahat ng inaral natin mula sa arithmetic sequence hanggang sa geometric sequence, saan ba ginagamit yung mga concept na ito ng mathematics. So, bibigay lamang ako ng ilang mga example sa video na ito. Concepts of arithmetic and geometric sequence are very essential in real-life situations. So, do you know that there are real-life situations that can be modeled by the arithmetic and geometric sequence? So, this lesson will help you to find solutions to solve problems involving sequences. Illustrative example 1 na agad tayo. So, suppose the auditorium of the Tagaytay International Convention Center or the TICC has 20 seats in the first row, and that each row has 2 more seats than the previous row. If there are 30 rows in the auditorium, how many seats are in the last row? So sa question na ito, ma-identify natin na ang tinatanong niya is related sa arithmetic sequence. So, ang first row, or yung first term, pwede natin sabihin naman na 20 seats muna. Tapos, kada rows, nadadagdagan ng dalawa. Ito. Yan. So, kung merong 30 rows sa auditorium, ilan daw yung bilang ng mga upuan dun sa pinaka-last row. So, you will find the answer using arithmetic sequence concept. Okay, let us show the solution. So, since we're dealing with worded problems, let us use po yung common steps to find the answer or show the solution for a worded problem. Dito po sa application of sequences, we were talking about real-life situation, kaya ang common na na-encounter natin ay mga worded problems. To find the answer for worded problems, meron tayong tip para mas madaling ma-identify. So, step by step. So, una po ay ito, C. So, what kind of sequence is involved in the problem? Sabi doon, meron 20 seats, no? Sa first row. Tapos, nadadagdagan siya ng 2 seats mula dun sa previous row. So, meron tayong 20 plus 22 plus 24 plus 26. Hanggang sa makuha natin yung ika-30th row. Ayan. So, identify siya sa case of 30. And then, next factor ng C, we need to plan. So, what is the appropriate formula to be used and the needed values na kailangan natin? So, since we are talking about, obvious naman na ito ay isang arithmetic sequence, so we will going to use the rule for the arithmetic sequence, which is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiply sa common difference or the D. Then, identified natin mula sa problem na yung a sub 1 is equals to 20. Ang common difference ay 2. Yun yung 2 more seats na sinasabi. No? Yan. Tapos, yung ating n is 30 kasi ang hinahanap ko is kung meron 30 rows yung auditorium. So, next po dito is do. So, perform the indicated operation and simplify. So, dito sa ating problem, we're going to find ilan ang seats doon sa last row, which is the 30th row. Okay, we have a sub 30. Ang first term natin is 20 plus 30 yung number of terms, and then ang ating common difference ay 2. So, simplify natin. We have 20 plus 29 because 30 minus 1 is 29 times 2. And then, 20 plus 58, which is 29 times 2. And 20 plus 58 is equals to a sub 30, 78 seats ang meron sa ika-30th row. And that that is how we use arithmetic sequence formula in this example or in this worded problem. So, isa yan sa mga application or pinagagamitan ng sequence in a real-life situation. So, we also do looking back, no? After mo makuha yung tamang sagot, tama ba siya? So, the answer should be satisfied with the given information in the problem. So, dito inad lahat, no? So, mula sa 20, plus 22, plus 24, and so on. Hanggang sa makakuha tayo ng 78. Okay, actually, hindi naman siya pinapa-add, no? Pero, kasi yung susunod na problem dito, na example. Yan. So, finding the total number of seats is solving for arithmetic series or sum naman. So, ang sinasuggest nito is bibilangin or aalamin kung ilan lahat yung upuan doon sa auditorium. And that is arithmetic series naman or arithmetic sum application naman. Illustrative example to suppose na gagamitin natin yung illustrative example 1. Ang tatanong naman dito or ang hahanapin natin is the total number of seats doon sa auditorium. So, how will you do that? Remember na meron tayong dalawang formula na na-introduce for arithmetic series, and that is this one. So, S sub n is equals to n divided by 2 times 2 times a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times t. Common difference. And the other one is kapag identify naman yung first term at saka yung last term, we can use this formula, the simplified formula, no? S sub n is equals to n divided by 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Okay, let us discuss the solution for the first formula muna. So, substitute the given. Ang hinahanap natin is the sum of the 30th term. So, lahat. Mula sa first term hanggang sa 30th term. The first row hanggang sa 30th row. So, ang n natin is 30 divided by 2. Then, times 2. Ang first term natin is 20 plus 30, which is the n, minus 1 times 2, which is the common difference. Simplify po natin. Yung 30 divided by 2 is 15. Yung 2 times 20 is 40 plus 29 times 2. Then 15 times 40 plus 58. 40 plus 58 is 98 times 15. We have 1,476 all in all. With 30 rows na meron sa auditorium. Now, solving using naman the other formula wherein ang kailangan lang natin is the number of terms, the a sub 1, and the last term. So, substitute po the sum of 30th term, so 30 divided by 2 times 20 plus 78, and 20 plus 70 is 98 times 15 is 1,476. So, ang first formula po is ginagamit kapag kung hindi natin identify yung last term. Tapos yun naman pong second formula naman is pwede natin gamitin kung given naman yung first term at saka yun pong last term. Our illustrative example 3, problem is if 10 pesos is saved on October 1 and 20 pesos on October 2, 30 pesos on October 3, and so on, how much is saved during October? So note that October has 31 days. So our example is again an illustration of arithmetic sequence. So what we're going to do is to find the total savings for the month of October. So ito po ay arithmetic series. So using the formula in the arithmetic series, S sub n is equals to n divided by 2 multiplied by 2 times a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied sa common difference. Substituting the values na meron po mula sa problem, we need to find the sum of the 31 days na nag-save. And that is equals to 31 divided by 2 times 2 times 10 plus 31 minus 1 and multiply sa common difference which is 10. S sub 31 is equals to 15.5 times 20 plus 30 plus 30 times 10. And then S sub 31 is equals to 15.5 times 20 plus 300. 20 plus 300 is equals to 320 times 15.5. We have a total savings for 31 days for the whole month of October amounting to 4,960. And that is an example of an arithmetic series. For illustrative example 4, so the ping pong ball dropped from a height of 128 meters, rebounds on each bounce 1/2 the distance from which it fell. How far it will travel before coming to rest. So this is an example of getting the sum of the infinity. Kasi walang sinabing last term. Ang sabi lang is before coming to rest. So ibig sabihin hanggang sa siya ay tumigil or mag-stop na sa pagbabounce. So possible to get the sum of infinity because our ratio is 1/2. Our ratio is 1/2, so it is less than 1. So the sum is possible. Sum of infinity is equals to 128 divided by 1 minus 1/2. And that will be 128 divided by 1/2, or the sum of infinity is equals to 256 meters. That will be all for the application of sequence. So, few application lang yun. Marami pa. So, you can browse the internet and look for some application pa. So, for now, that will be all that I can share po. Sana po ay naintindihan niyo po yung discussion. So, thank you for watching and keep safe. God bless you all.